Hello traders and welcome po sa ating live trading session for today. So again, this is Paul Mendoza, your trading speaker. So before we start, again, let me know if you can hear me well. Please type 1 po sa ating live chat box. Session for today. Hello po, Miss Laura, watching from Beirut. Hello, Vito 6. Good day to you as well. Yes po, Tagalog po tayo ngayon. Salamat po sa pag-join sa ating pong webinar for today. Alright, so salamat po sa mga nag-comment ng 1. Hello, Jean Jeffries. So to answer your question, trading is where you are trading on your own, while copy trading is where you are copying the trades of other traders. Alright, so before anything else, again, kung di nyo pa po nagagawa, please subscribe po kayo sa ating YouTube channel for you to be updated, para po kapag may bago po tayong webinar or live trading session, ay lagi po kayong updated, especially kapag Tagalog po yung webinar natin. Hello to you as well, Stephen from Nigeria. So may mga nagko-comment po na may unusual sound raw po, no? So please let me know po kung ano po yung naririnig ninyo for me to be able to fix it before we start. Hello, mic check. So please let me know kung meron pa po bang unusual sound. Hello, mic check. Alright, so I think it's better now. Alright, so I think we can start. So before anything else, let me again just please let me just read the disclaimer first. So any opinion, news, research, prices, analysis, or other information discussed in this webinar or linked to this presentation are provided as general market commentary and do not constitute investment advice. Okay, so again, I am not a financial advisor, at lahat po ng sasabihin ko dito is only a general market commentary and do not constitute investment advice. So nasa sa inyo na po yun kung gusto nyo pong sundan yung mga trading ideas na nilalabas po natin dito sa channel ni Octa. But again, this is only a general market commentary. Alright, and again, kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa ating pong Telegram channel, which is dedicated po ng Octa para sa ating mga Filipino traders. So I highly encourage you to please join po kayo or subscribe on our YouTube channel. So sa loob po ng YouTube channel, ito po yung makikita po ninyo. Telegram channel. Then inside this Telegram channel, meron pong binibigay si Octa na trading ideas. At again, nasa sa inyo po yun kung gusto nyo pong sundan. We also have market updates katulad po nito, as well as trading quiz, as well as economic calendar, so katulad po nito, as well as announcement. So kapag member po kayo ng channel ni Octa, so kayo po yung unang-una na makaka-receive po ng mga announcement na galing mismo sa kanila. Okay? And again, if this is your first time watching my webinar, so again, my name is Paul Joseph Mendoza, or you can just call me Paul. I am a professional Forex trader with over 5 years of experience. I am a trading coach and an analyst, a pullback and trend trading specialist. I also have the experience of helping or assisting a startup trading desk, and I also have an experience of handling my private investors' money. Okay? And again, if you want to take advantage sa ating pong double your deposit promo, so just use my promo code, which is PaulJM100. Hello Sushayu, the Telegram link is on the description box. So again, going back into the promo code. So again, just use my promo code, which is PaulJM100. So just open the Octa Trading app or visit our official website. Then go to your profile, find the promo code section in the menu, enter the promo code, and then press activate. Then make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. Alright. So having said all of those things, I think we can start right now. So as usual, we will start with the economic calendar. So for today, wala po tayong high impact news for the rest of this day. But for tomorrow, which is February 8, so February 8, meron po tayong high impact news para sa New Zealand dollar, which is inflation expectation, quarter over quarter. Then, yun lang po yung high impact news natin para sa major currency. Then, on February 9, on Friday, meron po tayo sa Australian dollar. So, magkakaroon po ng speech si Governor Bullock para sa AUD. Then, sa Canadian dollar is unemployment rate as well as net change in employment. So, ito po yung mga dapat nating bantayan na high impact news for this coming days. So, again, I just want to reinforce the point na importante po na alam po natin yung mga parating na news. So, hindi po porket technical trader tayo or karamihan po sa atin, I know na technical analysis lang po yung type of trader. We are just a technical analyst kind of trader, right? Do you agree? So ang kahalagahan po nitong economic calendar is makikita po natin katulad po nito kung ano po yung mga high impact news na magkakaroon po ng magkakaroon po siya ng impact sa price action. So katulad po nung nangyari nung last week. So last week dahil po nagkaroon ng strength ang USD, so nagkaroon po ng push yung US dollar against its counterpart or yung mga major currency pairs po na binabantayan natin is nagkaroon po ng boost yung USD, right? So kung maalala po ninyo, last time ang analysis po natin dito sa DXY is magkakaroon siya ng continuation pababa, right? But since nagkaroon nga po tayo ng strength sa USD, so if you remember, nandito po tayo last time sa resistance zone. Then we saw na nagkaroon po tayo ng multiple candlestick patterns, right? So starting from this candlestick pattern, which is what we can consider an inverted pin bar, then after 3 candles, nagkaroon siya ng huge red candle. But dahil nga po nagkaroon ng high impact news at nagkaroon po ng strength si US dollar, is nagkaroon po ng boost yung USD. So instead of continuing to go down, katulad po ng expectation natin. Ang expectation po natin last time is magkakaroon siya ng continuation pababa, right? But dahil nga po nagkaroon ng boost si USD, so nagkaroon po siya ng push to the upside. At ito pong push ng USD is, as we can see, na-break niya po yung previous resistance or yung previous high, right? So kung maalala po ninyo sa atin pong past lessons, sa atin pong mga previous webinars, so kapag po nagkakaroon ng break of structure, so in this case we are on a downtrend. So kapag po nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa previous high, so that means this is a possible trend reversal. Okay? So we can expect na magkakaroon po siya ng higher highs and lows sa mga susunod po na trading days. So dahil yun po yung nakita natin na pattern dito sa DXY, at dahil nga po nagkaroon ng strength si US dollar, so we can expect na magkaroon po ng complete reversal ang US dollar index. So let's see kung ano po yung next na gagawin ni DXY for the coming week. And for me, I believe na pwede po siyang umabot until this, up to this point. Okay? So this is our next resistance zone. So as we can see, again, nagkaroon po tayo ng breakout sa previous resistance or sa previous high. Then the price is now retesting this level. So this resistance could now turn into support. So kapag nag-support po itong previous resistance natin dito, is possible po na magkaroon siya ng continuation to the upside hanggang sa maabot niya po itong first resistance. Okay? So we can move or extend this previous resistance and this could now turn into support. At kung i-extend po natin yung support level natin, so clearly this was tested multiple times before. But this is still too early to say. So we can still expect na magkakaroon pa siya ng deeper pullback. So since we had a breakout, so pwede po nating i-expect na magkaroon po siya ng either reaction dito sa previous resistance or a deeper pullback hanggang makarating po siya dito sa previous support na meron po tayo dito. Okay? So ito po yung mga possible scenarios na nakikita po natin sa dollar index for the coming week. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement, assuming na ito na po yung top or yung new high ng dollar index, so pwede po siyang umabot hanggang dito sa 50% Fibonacci retracement, which is lining up with our previous support right here. Okay? So this is what we can expect for the DXY. So either magkaroon po siya ng bounce off of the support or magkaroon siya ng deeper pullback hanggang sa marating niya po itong support natin dito. So clearly, we have two possible support level for the DXY. So this is the first scenario na pwede po nating i-expect sa DXY. So the second scenario na pwede po nating makita is the possibility na magkaroon siya ng continuation hanggang dito sa resistance. So since meron po tayong breakout, so ang hinihintay na lang po natin dito is yung follow through. Okay? So kapag po nagkaroon ng follow through, since nagkakaroon po tayo ng retest, pwede po siyang magkaroon ng continuation dito without reaching this support level. Okay? So again, the possibilities na pwede po natin i-expect sa dollar index are the possibilities na magkaroon po siya ng pattern na katulad po nito. Or the other scenarios could be like this. Okay? So, let me just change the color of this line for us to have a better perspective of it. Okay? So, ito po yung mga scenarios na nakikita po natin para sa dollar index for the coming week. So, I am, para po sa mga susunod na linggo, I am a bit bearish. Possible po na magkaroon tayo ng pullback or retracement or a retest before creating or making a continuation to the upside. Okay? So ito po yung mga possible scenarios or yung mga levels na nakikita po natin para sa DXY. Okay? So as of the moment, nagko-consolidate lang po siya because we just broke out from our previous level. So we don't have any clear direction as of the moment. So let's see kung ano po yung development ni DXY for the coming week. Alright, so that's what we have for the dollar index. So for our next pair, we analyze the Bitcoin, kung ano po yung possible scenario na pwedeng gawin ng price action ng Bitcoin. So we are still below this resistance level. So last time, ang expectation natin para sa Bitcoin is magkakaroon po siya ng movement like this. Okay? But as of the moment, we are still below this resistance level. So hanggat nasa ilalim po ng resistance na to yung price ng Bitcoin, is ang expectation po natin is magkakaroon po siya ng continuation pababa. So let's see. Pwede rin po nating i-expect na magkakaroon lang siya ng consolidation for the coming week. So I am not hindi po ako bullish or nor bearish para sa Bitcoin for the coming week, but long-term view, I am bearish. I am looking at the possibility na magkakaroon po siya ng retracement pababa. Okay? So again, we are still just consolidating para po sa Bitcoin. So kung nagtitrade po kayo ng crypto, so ito po yung idea natin sa Bitcoin. So again, short-term view, consolidation lang po yung nakikita natin. But long-term view, I am expecting na magkakaroon po siya ng retracement pababa. Alright? And we also analyze the dollar against peso. So last week, ang analysis po natin is magkakaroon po siya ng retracement pababa sa 56.16 level. So we use Fibonacci retracement, and then we saw the possibility na magkakaroon siya ng retracement hanggang dito sa 50% Fibonacci level, which is 56.16 pesos. But as we can see, the price goes even beyond 56.16. So umabot po siya ng hanggang 55.87. So bumalik po siya dito sa support level, which is what we have down here. Then after going back into the support, nagkaroon po ulit siya ng retracement pataas hanggang sa nakarating siya pabalik sa 56.36, and then right now we are again back at the 55 level. So nasa 55.95 level na po siya ulit. So let's see kung magkakaroon po siya ng double bottom right around this level. Okay? So we can expect na babalik po siya sa 55.87 level. So between 55.87 and 55.92 pesos. So yun po yung pwede nating i-expect na pupuntahan ng dollar against peso for the coming week. Alright. And then we also analyze XAU USD or the gold. Yung price action po ng gold. So we are still just consolidating. But as we can see, last week, umaangat po yung price ng gold. So if you remember, we draw a triangle pattern here. So as we can see, nagkaroon po ng breakout sa triangle pattern, but the price failed to sustain the breakout. Right? So if I'm not mistaken, dito po natin nakita yung possible breakout. Then nagkaroon po siya ng breakout, which is around this candle, pero hindi niya na-sustain. So as we can see, the price, after breaking that triangle pattern, the price pulled back immediately. So nagkaroon siya ng pullback. Following this green candle, nagkaroon siya ng 2 consecutive huge red candles. So let's see kung babalik po siya dito sa support level. And actually, nandun na po siya, no? Nandun na po siya sa support level, which is this previous high na meron po tayo dito. So, bumalik po siya dito sa support. So, having this kind of information, so we can expect na magkaroon po ulit siya ng bounce. So, again, nagko-consolidate lang po yung price action ng gold. So, that's why we don't have any clear direction as of the moment. Okay? So, ang hinihintay lang po natin dito sa gold is either magkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa ibabaw ng Darvas box or dito po sa ilalim ng Darvas box. So, as of the moment, we are just on a sideways. But, short-term view, I am leaning more on the possible upside movement ng XAU-USD. So, pwede po nating makita yung possible bounce off of this support level. So, pwede po siyang bumalik ulit dito sa previous minor resistance. Okay? So, kung makikita po natin for the last, let's see, for the last 21 days. So, for the last 21 days, dito po naglalaro yung price ng XAU-USD or ng gold. Right? So, as we can see, meron po tayong na-form na bottom or support or minor support sa level na to. At meron po tayong minor resistance naman sa level na to. Okay, so kapag nagkaroon po ng breakout dito sa minor resistance, so we can expect na magkakaroon na po siya ng retest dito sa previous high. So let's see. So for the coming week, again, I am looking for the probability na magkaroon po siya ng retest dito sa minor resistance. Okay? So yun po yung ating analysis para sa non-major pairs. So let's move on now para po sa ating 7 major pairs. So, beginning with the Aussie dollar. So, dahil nga po nagkaroon ng boost si USD, so nagkaroon po ng decline si Aussie dollar. So, last time, if you still remember, ang analysis po natin dito is magkakaroon siya ng movement to the upside since nandito po tayo sa support level. Right? So, last time, ang analysis po natin is magkaroon siya ng bounce off of the support. Then, nakita po natin na coming from this red candle, so umangat po siya ng more or less 40 pips. So, 47 pips to be exact. So, umangat po siya ng 47 pips since this red candle. So, dito po tayo unang nakakita ng possibility na magkakaroon siya ng bounce dito sa support. So, ang ina-expect po natin is magkaroon po siya ng continuation pataas. But again, nagkaroon po ng boost si USD last time dahil po sa NFP report. So, that means nagkaroon po ngayon ng drop si Aussie dollar. And as we can see, nagkaroon na po siya ng 1-2-3 pattern to the downside. But this 1-2-3 pattern is not big enough para i-consider po natin na ito na po yung lower, high, and low na hinahanap natin para sa reversal. So, first things first, we need to check kung na-break ba niya yung previous low. So, again, kung uptrend yung binabantayan po natin, so dapat makita po natin na magkaroon ng breakout dito sa support level. At yun po mismo yung ginawa nitong Aussie dollar. Okay? So, as we can see, nagkaroon siya ng breakout from this previous support or from this previous low. So, this is the first sign na magkakaroon na po siya ng reversal. So, at dahil nga po nagkaroon ng boost si USD last week, so kung magtutuloy-tuloy po na maganda po yung takbo ng economy ng US for this coming week, at kung magtutuloy-tuloy po yung strength ng USD, then we can expect na magkakaroon na po siya ng complete reversal. And the next support na meron po tayo para sa Aussie dollar is right below here. Okay? So as we can see, re-react pa rin po siya dito sa support na na-establish dito. So let's just use a zone. So after breaking this previous low, Ngayon naman po ay nire-retest niya itong support level na to. Okay? So, pwede po tayong mag-expect ng consolidation. So, since nagkaroon nga po tayo ng breakout dito sa previous low, then that means we are just in the middle of nowhere. So, basically, we are just consolidating, or the price is just consolidating. So, we can expect na mag-react siya dito sa support, and then magkaroon siya ng bounce. Then, kung talagang malakas po yung US dollar for the coming week, then pwede po nating expect na magkaroon po siya ng continuation to the downside. Alright, so ganyan po natin pinagsasama yung fundamental and technical analysis. Okay? So let's see for kung ano pong gagawin ng Aussie dollar for the coming week. So again, kaka-breakout lang po niya sa previous low. And kung long-term viewpoint titignan natin, ay downtrend po yung prevailing trend ng Aussie dollar. So having that kind of information, so it's safe to assume na pwede po siyang magkaroon ng continuation pababa. But short-term view, ang nakikita ko po dito is magkakaroon lang muna siya ng consolidation. Dahil po nagkaroon siya ng established resistance around this level. Okay, so let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng Aussie dollar for the coming week. So again, ang nakikita ko po na possible scenario para dito is magkaroon po siya ng short consolidation before going down. And as we can see, nagkaroon din po tayo ng candlestick pattern which is an engulfing candle. Okay? So meron po tayong green engulfing candle. And because of this, pwede po nating again i-expect na magkaroon siya ng short bounce coming from the support. Okay? So that's what we have from the Aussie dollar on our daily time frame. So let's try to look at the 1 hour time frame kung meron tayong opportunity to take a trade. So for this one, as we can see, the price created a reversal pattern by breaking this previous high. Okay? Then we also have a head and shoulder pattern. So nagkaroon tayo ng head and shoulder pattern, then na-break ng head and shoulder pattern yung neckline. Then after breaking out, the price is now pulling back. So if we use our Fibonacci retracement coming from this previous low, so we can see na pwede pong umabot yung pullback up to the support level. So if you want to take advantage to trade this 1 hour time frame ng Aussie dollar, so this is a good zone or support zone to look into para po magkaroon tayo ng opportunity to take a long trade para sa 1 hour time frame po ni Aussie dollar. Okay? Hello, hi there, Ali. So we already checked the XAUUSD, but we will again check it later for you. Okay? So yun po yung nakikita natin sa Aussie dollar. So moving on, we have Euro dollar for our next major pair. So for this one, so ina-expect po natin last time is magkaroon siya ng bounce dito sa 78.6 Fibonacci level. So ito po yung support na tinitignan natin last time. And then nagkaroon po tayo ng huge green candle bago po magkaroon ng NFP report. Then dahil nga po nagkaroon ng boost si USD, so bumagsak po si Euro dollar, just like what we have from the Aussie dollar, right? Then as we can see right now, the price is still retesting our support level right here. So it's safe to assume na magkakaroon po tayo ng bounce off of this support. And then as we can see, this support level was tested multiple times. So this is a previous resistance. Then nag-support, naging support siya dito. Naging support po ulit siya dito. Then right now, the price is retesting this level again. So we can expect na magkaroon po siya ng short bounce. So pwede po tayo mag-expect ng consolidation around this level. But still, katulad po nung nakita natin sa Aussie dollar, kung magtutuloy-tuloy po yung strength ni US dollar or ng USD, then we can expect na after consolidating a bit coming from the support level, then magkakaroon po siya ng continuation to the downside. Because as we can see, we also have a long pullback. So as we can see, nagkaroon po tayo ng 1, 2, 3 pattern. Then, ang na-expect po natin kung healthy yung trend is magkaroon lang siya ng pullback na hindi aabot dito sa previous low before making a continuation to the upside. So, yun po yung initial idea. But what the price did is nagkaroon po siya ng long pullback like this. Right? So, the price came back all the way down to this previous support or from this previous low. So, dahil po nagkaroon ng strength si USD at dahil po nagkaroon ng long pullback yung euro dollar or yung price action, then it's safe to assume na magkaroon po siya ng complete reversal. But as of the moment, again, hindi pa niya po nabibreak yung previous low. So yung uptrend, yung short-term uptrend na meron po tayo dito, which is coming from this 1, 2, 3 pattern, is still alive. Okay? So the short-term uptrend is still alive as long as masustain po ng support yung price action na hindi siya, or masustain po ng price na hindi niya i-break itong previous low. Okay? So that's the reason why I am still looking for the possibility na magkaroon po siya ng bounce coming from the support level. Okay? So let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng price action ng euro dollar. So right now, for this coming week, short-term view, I am a bit bullish from this pair. So I am expecting na magkaroon siya ng bounce dito sa support level at magkaroon siya ng consolidation. But again, kung masusustain po ng USD yung strength ng USD, kung masusustain niya yung strength niya, then we can expect na magkaroon siya ng itong euro dollar, magkaroon siya ng complete reversal like this. Okay? So the first idea is magkaroon siya ng bounce off of the support level at magkaroon ng consolidation. So that's what we have from our daily time frame. So let's try to look at the 1 hour time frame kung meron po ba tayong opportunity to day trade. So obviously, we saw or meron po tayong double bottom. Okay? So nag-form ng double bottom yung price action right here. And then the price broke its neckline. So after breaking this neckline, so let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng pullback. So assuming na ito na po yung new high ng euro dollar. So let's see kung saan siya pwedeng magkaroon ng bounce. So using our Fibonacci retracement, so we can see na ito po yung support or next support level na pwede nating tignan kung gusto po nating i-trade itong euro dollar for our 1 hour time frame. So let's see kung magkaroon po siya ng bullish candlestick pattern dito sa support level na to for a possible continuation to the upside. Alright, so that's what we have for the euro dollar, both daily and 1 hour time frame. So for our next pair, so pound dollar. So for this one, we are still, like what we have from the XAU USD, we are still inside the range or inside our Darvas box pattern. But katulad po nung ibang major pair, dahil nga po nagkaroon ng strength si USD, nagkaroon po ng movement to the downside itong pound dollar. So coming from this green candle, nasundan po siya ng 2 consecutive red candle. Then as we can see, nagkaroon po siya ng retest dito sa support level. Right? So since the price retested the support, so we can expect again na magkaroon po siya ng push to the upside until it reach this minor resistance. Okay, so parang katulad po siya nung nakita natin sa gold kanina. So dahil po nagkaroon siya ng reaction dito sa support, so let's see kung magkakaroon po siya ulit ng movement to the upside hanggang sa marating niya po itong minor resistance. So hanggat nasa loob po tayo ng Darvas box, so pwede po nating i-expect na ang gagawin lang po ng price ng pound dollar is mag-bounce lang po siya around this support and resistance zone. So bago po tayo magkaroon ng breakout, is pwede niya pong i-retest yung support and yung minor resistance dito po sa taas na to. Okay? Then, again, katulad po nung nakita natin sa XAUUSD, kapag nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa taas ng Darvas box, then we can expect na pwede po siyang mag-retest dito sa next resistance level. Then, kapag naman po nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa ilalim ng Darvas box, then pwede po siyang mag-retest dito sa next support level. Okay? And for our 1 hour time frame, so we can see na we have a downtrend. So the price is now on a 2 pattern. So ito po yung, if you still remember, so ito po yung 1 pattern, and then this is our 2. Okay? So we can expect na magkakaroon po siya ng completion ng third movement or ng itong next movement niya, which is the continuation pababa. So let's see kung magkakaroon po siya ng continuation to the downside. So if we use our Fibonacci retracement, so the price is nearly on our 50% Fibonacci level, and we also have this resistance zone, and this is where the price reacted. So narating po ng price itong previous support natin dito, and then as we can see, dito po siya nagre-react ngayon. So let's see kung magkaroon po tayo ng either an inverted hammer or an engulfing candle around this resistance level, then this is a good opportunity for us to take a short trade. Pero kung lumampas po siya dito sa resistance, then our next resistance level is right around this level. So our first resistance, of course, is our 50% Fibonacci retracement. Then we have 61.8 and 78.6 Fibonacci level. So let's see. So ito po yung resistance zone na pwede nating bantayan para sa 1 hour time frame ng pound dollar. Alright, so let's see what the price will do. And that's what we have for our pound dollar. So for our next pair, we have New Zealand dollar. And for this one, as we can see, ang analysis po natin dito last time is magkaroon siya ng retracement dito sa resistance before going back down or before making a continuation to the downside. So as we can see, according to our drawing, the price did just that. Okay? So the price went up, but the price just fell short na marating itong resistance level. So na-miss ng price action itong resistance level na to, then the price immediately pulled back. So ang reason behind kaya po nagkaroon siya ng huge red candle is again because of the strength ng US dollar. So having this kind of information, so we can assume na magkaroon na po siya ng complete reversal to the downside. So the first thing that we saw here was the price broke out from this previous low. Then, having that kind of information, we assume that the price will go back up before going back down again for the continuation pababa. So, ginawa naman po ng price yung ina-expect natin. But right now, the price is just consolidating. But the important thing to note on this pair was the price completely broke out from this previous level or from this previous low. Okay? So dahil po nagkaroon na siya ng complete breakout dito sa previous low, then we can expect na magkaroon na po siya ng complete reversal. And the long-term view or the prevailing trend ng New Zealand dollar is also a downtrend. So let's see. Sa ngayon po, nire-retest po ng price action ng New Zealand dollar itong previous support. So this could be our next resistance. Kung lumampas man siya dito, so we can expect na umabot lang po siya hanggang dito sa second resistance natin dito sa taas. So let's see kung magkaroon po siya ng drop for the coming week. Kung magkakaroon po ng continuation yung strength ng USD, then it is safe to assume na magkaroon po ng continuation to the downside itong New Zealand dollar. Okay? So let's see what the price will do. So we can also expect na magkaroon din siya ng consolidation dahil na-breakout niya completely itong previous low. So madalas po ang nangyayari po kapag nagkakaroon ng breakout sa previous high or low. So let me just go on a blank chart. So let's say na meron po tayong uptrend and then a breakout po ng price action yung previous low. Madalas po before making a reversal, madalas pong mangyari na makakita muna tayo ng consolidation. Okay? Kasi madalas po nagkakaroon siya ng retest dito sa previous support. So may mga sellers po na naiwan na or may mga nag-sell. So imagine may mga nag-sell po dito and then nung nakita nila na na-breakout na ng price action itong previous support, and dito po sila take profit. So that's why umaangat po yung price. At nagre-retest po siya dito sa previous low. So minsan po ganyan yung nangyayari. So that's why we are expecting na magkakaroon po siya ng consolidation before the continuation ng reversal. Okay? So this is what we can see para po sa ating daily time frame ng New Zealand dollar. So let's see kung meron po tayong opportunity to day trade sa 1 hour time frame. So sa 1 hour time frame, meron po tayong breakout nitong previous high. So the price came from a heavy downtrend. Right? So as we can see sa atin pong 1 hour time frame, so the price came from this heavy downtrend. But after reaching this low, the price broke out from its previous high. So this is assuming na magkaroon ng continuation or follow through itong breakout na to. Then we can expect na magkaroon siya ng pullback or a possible continuation to the upside. So let's say na ito na po yung top or yung previous or yung new high nitong New Zealand dollar again for this 1 hour time frame. So we can expect na magkaroon po siya ng pullback before making a continuation to the upside. And then the support level that we can use to trade this pair is right here. Okay? So this Fibonacci retracement level is lining up with our previous resistance. Okay? So this previous resistance could turn into our next support. So pwede po nating pagsamahin yung previous resistance as well as our Fibonacci retracement to look for a possible support level. Okay? So ito po yung possible scenario na meron po tayo sa 1 hour time frame. So let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng price action para po dito sa New Zealand dollar for the coming week. Okay? So moving on, we have dollar Luni or dollar Canada. So last time, ang analysis po natin dito is magkaroon siya ng continuation to the downside. So as you can see, we have this 1, 2, 3 pattern. Then the price retested this previous resistance or this previous support. Then this previous support turned into resistance. Then as we can see, the price went down. So tama naman po yung analysis natin na magkakaroon siya ng continuation pababa. But again, dahil nga po sa strength ng USD, nagkaroon po siya ng another push to the upside. And the price retested this resistance level again. But as we can see, we are still below this previous high right here. So, dahil we are still below this level, this resistance above here, then we can expect na magkakaroon pa rin po ito ng continuation pababa. Okay? But kung malakas po kung magkaroon po ng continuation yung strength ng USD for the coming week, then pwede lang po nating expect na magkaroon siya ng retest dito sa support. So pwede po tayong mag-expect ng retest dito sa support and then magkaroon siya ng consolidation. So as we can see, we have this resistance right here. And then we have this support level down here. So it's safe to assume na maglalaro lang po yung price around this level. Then pwede po tayong mag-expect na magkakaroon lang po siya ng Darvas box pattern. Like this. Okay? So ito po yung possible scenario na nakikita po natin sa dollar loonie for the coming week. So, short-term view, I am bearish for this pair because the price retested this resistance again, and as we can see, the price is going down. So, ang ina-expect ko po for the coming week is magkaroon siya ng continuation to the downside hanggang marating niya tong support level. So, that's why I am bearish. Short-term view. But long-term view, I am just looking for the possibility na magko-consolidate lang po yung price ng dollar loonie. Okay? And for our 1 hour time frame, so let's see. So we have a breakout from this neckline. As you can see, we have this double top. So nagkaroon po tayo ng double top and then the price broke this neckline. So after breaking this neckline, kung susukatin po natin yung price action, so bumagsak po siya ng 30 pips. So coming from this breakout, so bumagsak siya ng 30 pips. So let's see kung ano pong susunod na gagawin ng price action. So as of the moment, we don't have any opportunity to take a trade, but I am leaning for the possibility na magkaroon siya ng continuation to the downside. Since we have this double top pattern and we have this breakout, then it is safe to assume na magkaroon po siya ng continuation pababa. And if we use a trend line, so we can see na meron po tayong channel dito. Okay, so let's see. But I don't want to take a breakout trade from this trend line. For me, it is not strong enough to consider it a strong breakout. So what I want to see is for the price to make a pullback before making a continuation to the downside. Okay? So this is what we can expect para po sa 1 hour time frame ng dollar loonie. Alright, so that's what we have for the dollar loonie. So for our next pair, we have dollar Swiss, and for this one, just like what we have for our dollar loonie, ang ina-expect po natin is magkaroon siya ng continuation pababa, which the price did. So, nagkaroon siya ng continuation pababa, pero nagkaroon po again ng strength yung US dollar last week, and this is the reason why the price came back up. And just like what we have from our dollar loonie, so we can expect na magkaroon po ito ng another consolidation pattern. So the price is now retesting this resistance level again, and as we can see, kung i-adjust po natin yung resistance level, kung isasama po natin itong previous high, so clearly niretest po ng price itong previous high, and then nag-form po siya ng inverted hammer or inverted pin bar. Okay? So having this kind of candlestick pattern, so we can expect na magkaroon po siya ng movement to the downside. So let's see. The price is still trying to break out. The price still trying to break out from this resistance. So let's extend our zone. As we can see, after retesting this resistance level, so the price created this pin bar. Then the price is now retesting this level again. Kapag po hindi na na-sustain ng bullish or ng mga buyers itong tinatry nilang i-break, right? Tinatry po nilang i-break itong resistance level. So kapag hindi na sustain ng mga buyers itong push to the upside, so we can assume or we can expect na magkaroon siya ng push to the downside for a possible retest to this support level. And then again, just like what we have from our dollar loonie pair, magkakaroon lang po siya ng consolidation. Okay? So again, the reason behind kung bakit po ito yung expectation natin is because of the strength that the US dollar gained last week. Okay? So ito po yung possible scenario para sa dollar Swiss. So we are just on the middle of nowhere or we are just consolidating. But again, the 1, 2, 3 pattern is still intact. Okay? Hindi pa po nararating ng price action itong previous high. So we are still downtrend. Okay? The price is still on a downtrend. But short-term view, we can expect na magkaroon lang siya ng consolidation. But long-term view, we are still on a downtrend. So let's see, kapag na-sustain ng US dollar yung strength niya, then we can expect na magkaroon siya ng reversal or else magkaroon siya ng continuation pababa after this possible consolidation. Okay? So this is what we have for our daily time frame. So let's see kung ano pong meron tayo sa 1 hour time frame. So for our 1 hour time frame, and since we are on our resistance level, so we can clearly see na we have a possible double top. Okay? So if you want to take a short trade from this double top pattern, so kung aggressive trader po kayo, so pwede po tayong mag-take ng short trade around this level, this resistance level. But if you are more of a conservative trader, then it is safe to take a short trade once the price breaks this neckline. Okay? So kapag po nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa neckline, so pwede po tayo mag-take ng short trade. Or if you are an aggressive trader, then you can take a short trade around this resistance zone. Alright, so that's what we have for our dollar Swiss and for our last major pair. So we have dollar yen. So for the dollar yen, so last time, ang ina-expect po natin is magkaroon siya ng movement to the downside coming from this resistance level. And last time, nandito po tayo sa green candle. So coming from this green candle, so nagkaroon nga po siya ng movement to the downside, and this movement, kung susukatin po natin siya coming from this resistance, ay bumagsak po siya ng 220 pips. Okay? Then the price retested this resistance again. And as we can see, the price created an engulfing candle. So meron po tayong engulfing candle dito sa resistance level. So this is safe to assume na magkaroon po siya ng another retest from this minor support. So katulad po ng dollar loonie at nung dollar Swiss, so pwede po tayo mag-expect ng consolidation from this pattern that we see right here. Okay? So again, kaya po nagkakaroon siya ng ganitong pattern is because of the strength of the US dollar. So for the long-term view, so we are just inside this Darvas box pattern. So we are just waiting kung mabibreak po ng price yung top box, because we are still on an uptrend. So as we can see, yung 1, 2, 3 pattern po natin dito sa dollar yen is still intact. Okay, so we are still on an uptrend. But short-term view, we can expect na magkaroon siya ng movement to the downside until it reach this support level. So let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng dollar yen for this coming week. Alright, so that's our 7 major pairs. So any question? So before we end, any question? Hello, Jean Jeffries. Yes, there is a way to benefit from a downtrend. For you to be able to take advantage of a downtrending market, all you have to do is to go with the trend. Okay, so for example, right here from our dollar Swiss pair, so we can ride the momentum to the downside. So for example, here we saw that the price created this pin bar pattern, or this entry candlestick pattern to the downside. So what we can do is to take a short trade, and then if the price goes down, then we can earn from that movement. Okay, so that's the way on how we can take advantage on a downtrending market. Okay. Hello, Shakti. Alright, so let's try to look at the euro dollar again. So again, our analysis for the euro dollar for the coming week is the price could bounce from the support level, and we can expect a consolidation. So right now, as we can see, the price already reacted from the support, and the price is now moving higher. So let's see if the price can sustain this momentum. So again, long-term view, we can expect that the price could bounce from the support level, and the price could make a consolidation, or the price could just move sideways. But the long-term view is we are expecting that the price could make a complete reversal, because the price, or because the US dollar gained strength last week. So if the US dollar sustained that strength for the coming week, then we can expect that the euro dollar pair will reverse, coming from a short-term uptrend. Okay? You are very much welcome, Jean Jeffries. I hope I was able to bring value to you and to your trading. Hello, lovely memories. Yes, I am using a head and shoulder pattern from my own trading, but I am not always using supply and demand zone. Alright, so any question? So last question before we end. Hello, Eman Kadiwa. Thanks for the very kind words. Alright, so if you don't have any question, I think that's it for our session for today. So again, thank you for joining me for today's session. And again, I am Paul Mendoza, your trading speaker. Bye!